Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, today's the calm after the storm. A lot of sunshine, but cooler temperatures, and temperatures have already fallen into the 30s over a good chunk of the area. But boy, check out this mess to the west. These are winter storm watches, warnings, all the red. These are blizzard warnings. We've got frost advisories and freeze watches into Los Angeles, California, as extremely cold air flows into the west, and this is a tremendous winter storm here. This storm will generally move up into the northern plains, and for Thanksgiving, we're talking blizzard conditions here to our northwest, but we'll have a secondary storm. It looks like it's going to form about right here, and this could bring a lot of rain and perhaps even a little wintry mix to our neck of the woods as we get into tomorrow and even Thanksgiving. All right, let's start out with the evening forecast, though. 34 by 7, 30 at 9, 27 by 11 o'clock, generally clear skies, and a heavy frost forming. Now, as we get into the overnight, a few high clouds will arrive late. Heavy frost, perhaps a little patchy freezing fog in places, but it will quickly cloud up tomorrow. May start out as a wintry mix, but change to rain. The wind will really crank up from the east and southeast. We'll have periods of rain tomorrow night, periods of rain till about Thanksgiving midday. It may end as a period of a little wet snow, and then we'll just have flurries. Thanksgiving right into Black Friday with windy and cold conditions. But very cold tonight. 19 Burlington, 20 Logansport, low 20s from Morocco and Lafayette to Frankfort and Petersburg, and highs tomorrow will be pretty raw. Highs only in the mid-30s in the north here, 36 Rochester, Winnemac, and Morocco, upper 30s Fowler, Lafayette, and Logansport to around 40 or 41 along I-74. Now notice on Futurecast, again, it's mostly clear overnight, and even at 8 o'clock in the morning, there will be some high and mid-level clouds filtering in. We may have a little dim sun early in the day, but it will quickly become overcast. And by 11 o'clock, notice the pink here, that's a little sleet, a little light freezing rain, and perhaps a few snowflakes early in the afternoon. This will pass through. We may have a good 1 to 2 hours of periodic sleet and wintry mix, but notice as we get into the afternoon how it begins to change over to rainfall. And this will be a cold, wind-driven rain at 5. Rain tomorrow night. Temperatures rise between 45 and 50. Rain continues right through the overnight hours. We even got rain on Thanksgiving morning. But this rain will slowly pull away, and then the colder air will rush in for Thanksgiving afternoon with a few snow flurries. Rainfall-wise, though, the models are cranking out the rain. This could be some of the heaviest rainfall we've had since June. Notice over 2 inches in our southern counties to around an inch, even an inch and a half elsewhere. 39 tomorrow. Now, notice that 47 tomorrow night. That's because temperatures will rise. They will crash into the 30s on Thanksgiving, and then a tranquil period over next weekend before we get back into the 40s with rain next week.
Wow, active.
Active.